In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add transitions to Instagram Reels. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then just swipe to the right to activate camera. After that, select Reel, and then just record some videos. Here is the first one, and that is the second one. And once you have made some videos, you can tap on next, and then just tap right here on edit clips. As you can see right here, I got two different videos. If you want, you can reorder it. Just tap right here at reorder, and in that way you can change the order. Just drag it left or right. Also, from here you can hit at that minus signs to remove some videos from here, and then you can find this transition option here. I'm just gonna tap on it, and that shows this plus sign between your videos. In order to add a transition, just hit at any of that plus signs, and then you can select the exact effect for the transition. That is a zoom effect. You can select blur, warp, then flare, spin, and glitch. Then, once you have selected the one that you like the most, just hit at done. And in the same way, you can add any transitions between each of your videos if you got more than two. Once you have finished with that, just hit at done, then done again, and then you can continue editing that video. You can add there some audio, some effects, stickers, text, and all that stuff. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.